Alright, today on William's Adventures, I'm going to be showing you my progress and give you a little update. Because I have been busy this weekend. So let me turn around the camera and show you what I got going on here. Alright, we have a stick. And clamps. Alright, I'll quit being a smartass. Let me turn this around here. So, I have been working on gluing these on. And this bit here. And the ear caps up here. So, and I just put a dowel in there just to make sure everything lined up. Now, I will have a magnet that keeps this up, so all I have to do is take and then pull it down. Over my eyes, which you can see are going to be clearly covered. I just noticed this piece here I might have to trim off, because when it turns up here you can actually see it sticks out further in the back. That's just something I just noticed. But yeah, I'm gonna have to trim that off. And there's still a lot of work to do. Very rough. I literally just unclamped this and so I could take a look at it and glue it on, because everything was being glued on. Now, what I'm going to do is alright, there should be one more spacer in here, right here. Anyways, this will fit on here. And yes, I do realize it is very close here. I have to take and heat this up and bend this out, so. But this will come out to here. And I will be able to raise it and lower it. I just now have to figure out how to do the cuttings for around here to take and get it the way I want it. I'm just so excited. It's nowhere near done. I still got a lot of work to do, but I just want to give you a little update. So, there you go.